Oh, fuck, shit, that hurt.
Oh, Thomas, I need to go upstairs.
Fuck you.
I left my keys upstairs.
Fuck you. Some fucking shit, man. Good morning, everyone. It is currently the second day of the install. Isn't that right, Bill?
We're giving away a pair of Yeezys because Thomas is ungrateful. So we bought them for Yeezys, but you don't want them. So we're gonna be raffling these off.
Alright. Second day of install. It's oh shit, there's a bee!
Where? Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Get it, dude.
Can y'all see that?
Get it. Don't stop. Do something. They're just like, can y'all see that?
That's content.
No, shut up. Figure this out, Thomas. Just wait. Is it inside the car or outside the car?
No, your windows are open.
Is it inside the car or outside the car?
I can't really tell. It's like inside, bro. Oh.
I don't want to roll the window up because then he'll just fly this way. I want him to fly that way.
Alright. Wait. Shit, let me get out of here.
No.
Wait.
We'll start the car and we'll back up.
No.
Tom, no. Bill, Thomas, stay.
Bill,
Thomas,
let go of my arm, bro.
we're not going to
Bill,
keep your car.
Let go of my arm,
Stay.
bro. Oh, hey.
You can't be leaving, dog. Why are you so afraid?
Bill, I'm allergic to bees.
No, you're not.
I'm allergic to bees.
Don't lie. I'm gonna start the car on.
No, Bill, you asshole.
I'm gonna start the car on.
Bill, you asshole. Stop. No.
I'm gonna back it up. Fuck
you, man.
Slowly close the door. Hey, just use my jacket. You're using my jacket as a protector, dog.
Oh shit.
Oh, it's moving.
Oh.
It's moving.
Alright, I need you to.
We just drive.
Alright, no. He's coming in the car,
No,
dog.
he's not. Oh, he is.
Alright, wait, chill. Oh shit.
What's going on?
Alright, I'm gonna use your jacket, bro.
No, use the towel. Here.
Oh shit.
Catch.
I'm gonna yeet this bitch off. Oh, I missed. Oh shit.
No, he's on the towel.
Oh.
Close the door. Is he on the towel?
Oh shit.
Fucking asshole. The hell was that? Dude, we're gonna get like some complaint from the Humane Society for bees. What you guys did were wrong. You can't be treating bees like that. They're not a biatch.
Alright, time to go Justin's house.
Oh, we're back. Skittles gang. Skittles gang. Yeah.
What happened?
Maxed it out.
Uh-huh. No way.
Why?
What?
It's the root to head. Like, what kit did you guys get?
It's the kit for the wagon. It doesn't make any sense.
Weird. I maxed it all the way out.
Good morning, Doe.
And it's still that low?
I maxed it to the point where, you know the eye hole where the threads,
Yeah.
it says to keep it in. It went up and then I went back down to the, but that was like maybe 2 inches, give or take.
But this is how it is now, right?
It's, yeah, and it's still at 90. And I'm like, I'm
Oh.
a little confused to
I'm
why
really
it's doing
confused,
that.
yeah.
Oh. Interesting.
That's not good.
Yeah.
That's really not good.
Yeah. I mean, you can get low profile tire. I mean, stretch the tires a tad bit, but I mean.
So we ran into an issue, and the issue is that we don't know why the PSI is so high. Everyone says, or at least Justin says, 50 to 60 is completely normal, but unfortunately, Tama is at almost like at 100 PSI, and it's still like really low. But luckily enough, doing some research, and Justin actually reads the manual because I never do, we figured out that it's normal for this car at least to be driving at 90 to 110 PSI, and max is 150 PSI, instead of what we thought was 100 was max. So we figured it out. Now we're gonna make sure it's all working, and we're gonna do a calibration test. Hopefully it works out. If not, I told you to go with coils.
Shut up. So it's still calibrating?
I don't know, it's just like wait for completion. Did it freeze?
I hope not. I'm gonna try it again.
So we're just about done. Just need to calibrate it. Calibrating is gonna take some time. You need to get the right tires first. Or not, just drive it the way it is.
Yeah, you can drive it right now.
Yeah, it's fine, right? It's safe.
Well, except for the wheels, but yes.
Oh, let's just leave those loose.
Oh wait, Justin, do you have the best?
So voila. It's a little bit unorganized, but they got it working. And that's what the important part is that everything works. So we're done, right? Kind of. We're almost there. High five. Thank you guys very much. Dude, that was freaking insane. They spent 2 days installing the bags on his car. And so I want to give a huge shout out, thank you to Steven and Justin. They have literally their garage and they did it out of their garage. So it's super duper awesome. Now Thomas learns how to do it. I get to see how it's done and we'll see what's next. But we're gonna have to drive home, make sure everything's working. Thomas needs to figure out his trunk setup. I think he should do something really cool, but also make it super duper functional because I still want to be able to store stuff in his trunk once in a while. Alright guys, so this is our first ever installment of Pimp My Trunk Setup. So you guys probably know that we did Thomas's bag install. Pretty decent job, car looks pretty good, but I'm not sure if you've seen his trunk. But his trunk is pretty gross. There's a piece of wood in there that doesn't even fit. We're not sure where he found it from, but he just found it somewhere. It's like driftwood, I think, from like a boat or something. But that's not the point. The point is that we're gonna hook this fool up. We're gonna do a Pimp My Trunk setup. So we're gonna help this fool remodel his whole trunk and make it super dope. However, there's a twist. The twist is that I don't have a budget for him, and he doesn't either. So we're gonna play it this way. Now, we're gonna have a deck of cards, like so. He's gonna draw 5 cards. Each card represents a dollar amount. So you draw 2, it's $2, 3 is $3. If he's lucky enough to draw a J, Queen, or King, that's $10. But if he's super lucky, he's probably not, and he draws an ace, that's $100. So he draws 5 cards. So, you guys ready?
Yeah, let's get it.
Alright, cool. So let's do this. We don't condone gambling, but you ever play 50-52 pickup?
Yeah, I have actually.
Okay, you don't play it again?
Something else spread out and stuff. Wait, put it on the table.
No, let's not put it on the table. You want to put it on the table? Alright, we'll put it on the table, Let's go. 5 cards, alright, man?
Alright, 5 cards.
5
cards.
5 cards.
Alright.
Alright, draw the first one, fool.
First one. $8.
$8. Right on. Good draw. Second one.
Wow.
Hold up. My math's not that great. Hold up.
That's $12.
I know, fool, but you gotta. So the audience.
I told you not to drop out of high school.
8 plus 4 is 12. Alright, we're at $12. Plus $5. How many cards is he drawing?
5.
Alright, where's
$23.
ace, fool?
Hey, don't be cheating, dude. So his budget for his trunk setup is $25. Alright, guys. So we're gonna try to win. No. So his budget is $25. We're gonna pimp his trunk with $25.
Hey, second retake.
No, there's no retake. There's no retake. $25, guys. All right. Now, what we didn't tell him is that if we can find it on the side of the road, as in if we can find some nice wood or driftwood from a beach and use it, it's considered free and not part of the budget. So we can probably pocket this $25 ourselves, or we'll spend it on the car. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But $25, dude, that's a lot of money.
Really?
Counting inflation and stuff, that's a lot of money.
Yes. No, what do you mean counting inflation? That means it's not a lot of money.
$25. So I don't know what we're gonna do with $25. We're gonna do it. We're gonna be creative. You're gonna love it. I promise.
I trust you.
It's not rigged, Thomas. All right, Nico. We're gonna set you up. Same thing, because this fool thinks it's rigged. It's not rigged. There's just cards. It's the heart of the cards, fool. You ain't got no heart. All right, Nico. Draw 5 cards. And let's hypothetically see what your trunk setup would cost.
Alright.
Or let's see what your budget for it is. First card. That's an ace.
Oh, that's $1,000 right there.
That's an ace. I don't know if we would choose.
Oh.
Holy shit.
Nice. Okay, 102. 102, not bad.
102 is 202.
No, it's
The Joker counts as
So
a
one
ace?
more.
Well, not really.
Oh, damn.
Alright, then we'll throw. Okay, Jesus. we're gonna throw the Joker. Alright,
Okay, throw
keep on
Joker.
drawing. You got one more chance.
Ah, fuck.
Wow, I was trying to set up.
2 aces.
So 228. No, 218. Yes, 218 is. And you have $25.
Hell, okay.
I don't know, dude. Maybe it's meant to be. Maybe look. Have faith in us.
Hey, you want to rock, paper, scissors me and get that budget?
So, the budget is set, guys. Thomas's trunk setup will cost us no more than, I can't even see that, no more than $25.
Yeah, we got some chicken scratch, bro.
Thanks, bro. I appreciate it. Let's get to it.